Okay, no damage here. It's July, I forget. What's the date? July 22. Yesterday we had major storm. Major storm. Straight line winds. I cannot believe our floppy tree in our backyard survived this, when this tree, which looks very strong, is completely uprooted. Holy cow. Can I say holy cow? Wow. That is some major wind. There's that tree. And this was completely blocked last night. We couldn't go that way home in the dark. There's the kids, except for Drew. Drew's at tournament already. Baseball tournament. It's probably like 9:30 or something like that right now. 9:36. Hey, look at that. Oh, and a neighbor boy. Carter. There's Carter. Hans, Annika, Emma. Okay, earlier I may have said July 22, but it's not July 22, it's June 22. Did I say July 22 earlier?
I don't know.
I'm so messed up.
July 22. No.
I forget. It's June 22. Holy cow.
Last time we had a gigantic storm and things were like ruined. There's like this tree with like roots falling out and all, and we're gonna see hail come. It was apparently really bad. Like, we didn't even know it was raining, so we were watching.
And this is Carol Christie's house. My brother-in-law's mother-in-law. Does that make sense?
So basically your wife's brother.
Wow. There could be some house damage there. Holy cow.
Look, this is such nice wood. Feel this. This is such nice wood. You're not doing it. Dad, feel it.
Do I have to?
Yeah. Look, this is such nice wood. Why do you have to go to waste?
Feels like a baby's bottom.
And you apparently don't.
But look at this. Here. Cut in half.
It doesn't look like it has any.
This tree was big. Cause like, look at how big that is. Look how big that is.
Like bark. Whoa, it looks like an animal could live in here.
Mrs. Carol Christie's not home right now. She's at my brother-in-law's.
It makes perfect sense.
You wanted to stay at
Because they still have power.
It looks like a house. Look at that.
Brooklyn Center, Brooklyn Park, I forget where they are. Somewhere like that. But here on the northeast side of the Twin Cities, we have no power.
How could this like cut in half?
Like over 100,000 homes without power.
That is possible.
Or maybe the rain gets.
See, it's so black, so.
Oh man, look at my shoes are wet and soaked, yucky.
And then the move would probably put it down.
Okay, it's hard to see from here, but Pike Lake is much higher than it was. Okay, we were invited to look in the backyard of, I forget his name, but I know him through Christ the King Lutheran and Boy Scouts. And he said he cut up a lot of, his jet ski was destroyed by a tree branch. Well, actually, there's a jet ski there. Yeah, I'm not sure if it was destroyed, but there was a branch on top of his jet ski and he cut that up. But look how high the water is.
See, look over here.
And 2 doors down,
Look it.
oh, look at that dock.
Whoa. Can we go in the place where the trees fell?
We're not allowed to go in their backyard unless we're invited.
Look at that
What?
door. Look at that.
Yeah, I see that.
That's land.
This is Pike Lake.
Flooding. Takes a lot of water.
Anyway, I think that's the house there. There are tree branches and trees on top of power lines, which is probably why we don't have any power in our area. But it's not.
Anybody.
Actually, there's more trees down. That's why other people don't have power. Because I don't think this would affect Grandma and Grandpa's house. Or Lorian's house. And he said he cut up a lot of his jet ski was destroyed by a tree branch. Well, actually, there's a jet ski there. Yeah, I'm not sure if it was destroyed, but there was a branch on top of his jet ski, and he cut that up. But look how high the water is.
See, look over here.
And 2 doors down,
Look it.
oh, look at that dock.
Whoa. Can we go in the place where the trees fell?
We're not allowed to go in their backyard unless we're invited.
Look at that
What?
door. Look at that.
Yeah, I see that.
That's land.
This is Pike Lake.
Flooding. Takes a lot of water.
Anyway, I think that's the house there. There are tree branches and trees on top of power lines, which is probably why we don't have any power in our area. But it's not.
Anybody.
Actually, there's more trees down. That's why other people don't have power. Because I don't think this would affect Grandma and Grandpa's house. Or Lorian's house.
In their backyard?
A wave is not necessarily an invite.
What does it mean that it's arcing?
Do you know what lightning is?
Yeah.
That's arcing.
Huh?
We can create. Okay, this is the backyard of the Tillmans. There's Josh. And they invited us to take a look at this place. Wow.
Wonder how that bird feels.
Is this where it arced?
That's where the power
Oh. So apparently it arced last night.
You mean there's a bunch of lightning?
Little tiny lightning, yeah. Well, pretty big.
The tree started on fire.
Tree started on fire, holy cow. And then about an hour later, Mr. Tillman said the transformer blew out just north of us. I'm facing north right now. I don't see the transformer. But a tree started on fire. Morning dove. Morning, morning dove.
I know it's a mourning dove.
I know a mourning dove when I see one.
You thought the 2 pigeons on the top of IKEA were mourning doves.
You ruined. I was making it funny and you ruined it.
It's funny.
A joke. I said morning, morning dove. Get it? Get it?
Nope.
Josh gets it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go back to Beppa. She's probably wondering where the heck we are.
Haha.
She probably thinks we're drowned in Pike Lake or something. Emma wants me to videotape bark. I'm not sure why.
Look at it.
I'm looking, and we're all looking in YouTube world, and TV world, and Vimeo world,
It's literally got struck by lightning.
and Vimeo, and television, and everywhere.
Are we gonna post this on YouTube?
No, I don't think so.
Look at that tree. I got it.
Dad.
Okay, guys, the top of that tree literally fell off.
We know that.
See, look up there, and then it just
And here's
fell.
the point.
Yeah, this is the point.
I've never touched
Hey, let's save that for Christmas. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Leave it.
This
I hear a chainsaw.
this is our neighborhood.
Yep.
Howdy, neighbor.
I'm gonna attack that wall of.
No, someone has a chainsaw. Just stand back.
Any tree could fall
How do
on
you know
us.
it's not Phil?
Phil? Phil who? Oh, got it. Maybe it's Uncle Si. Hi.
Look at it's still alive. Look at all that grass.
So this is I think that's the house with a generator. We could hear all night because we had the windows open. There's the generator. Excuse me. This house is housing ALS. I forget what it is. It's a house that houses many handicapped individuals. I actually applied to work with that company a long time ago. More damage. We were just on our way leaving, and all of a sudden, boom! Look what we found. Oh, I just about tripped over something. Wow, that is incredible. Okay, let's go back in the van.
I wanna go behind it.
No, honey, it's too muddy.
No way.
Okay, since Emma insisted on coming here, here we are.
Put your camera in here.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
Is it scary? Is there a hole to China?
Yes.
Oh, look it. It's China.
No, look how smooth that dirt is.
That comes all out.
Look how smooth that dirt is.
That's incredible.
What a force.
Yeah. Holy cow. And there's Beppa. Say hi, Beppa.
Yeah, you do know you left all that open.
Is the engine still running?
I have never seen grass like this before.
Oh yeah.
It just looks so cool.
It's like the walls.
Okay, come on, let's go.